Okay, in part B, we have y equals x minus 7 times x minus 1. So to find our standard form, let's expand this. We get x squared minus x minus 7x plus 7. So we get x squared minus 8x plus 7. So here's our standard form. And we also want to find the vertex form. The vertex form, we need to find the vertex. So let's start by finding the x-intercepts using our intercept form up here. And we'll find our x-intercepts by setting these to 0 and solving for x. So we get 7 and this should be 1. And we know that the vertex is the midpoint between our two x-intercepts. So let's solve for the midpoint by adding these together and dividing it by 2. And we'll get 8 over 2, so we'll get 4. So 4 is our x-coordinate of our vertex. So we want to find the y value. To do that, we can plug it into our standard form equation here to solve for y. So just plug in your x. And we get -9. So we know that our vertex is 4, -9. So now let's put that into our vertex formula, which is y is equal to a x minus h plus k. So our a value is just 1 since there's nothing in front here, and x is going to be minus, so our first x value was 4, so let's put 4 here, and then our y value is 9, so -9. And if you simplify, we get x minus 4 minus 9. So here's our vertex form. Now let's quickly graph this out. Okay, so let's draw the axes. And we have 1 as our intercept, and then we have 7 as our other intercept. Our vertex is at 4, -9. So let's say this is around -9. Our vertex is right there. And our graph will open upwards like this.